Hi everyone, this is a quick reading of our vocabulary list from page 57 of chapter 6. This is the chapter 6 vocabulary. Number 1, achar, which means behind or after. You can also say acharei, means the same thing. 8, which means with or beside, and sometimes has the makef, and then it just has a shorter vowel, et. Et hadavar, with the word. Much more common, that's 890 times in the Bible, much more common, 10,978 times, is 8 or et with a makef. Notice those are exactly the same, and this is the definite direct object marker, which we don't translate. It just means if something's a direct object and it has the article, it's definite, then we use 8 or et before it. Bereshit, in the beginning, bara, Elohim, God made, et hashamayim, ve'et haaretz. God made just the heavens and the earth, but we use this word to say, get ready, here's the direct definite object. Next, el, to or toward. Next, we talk about this one several times, bain, between. And if we use the conjunction v with it, it becomes uvein. Bain haor uvein hachoshek, between the light and between the darkness. The most common and multi-purpose preposition, b, in, at, with, by, against. That seems like a lot of meanings for one word. It is a lot of meanings for one word. B. And that is one of those inseparable prepositions. It'll just stick with the word it goes with. Our next word, batok, is really two words. It's b, in, b, and this noun, tavech, which becomes batok. So in the middle. Tavek is a noun that means middle or center. So when you say betoch, you mean in the middle of. Betoch. Next, a noun. Chokmah, wisdom. Note that wisdom is a feminine noun, and that makes it easier for the Book of Proverbs and other works to speak of Lady Wisdom. Chokmah. Now, I've put a syllable divider here. We said that the rules for this little symbol, the chametz, can be tricky. But I said, learn the syllable rule, and a lot of other things will follow from that. So there's no accent on this word, which means it's accented on its final syllable, which means consonant, vowel, consonant. That first syllable is closed and unaccented. And a closed syllable, think of those, has 3 elements, which means it only has room for an itty-bitty vowel, which means the 2 sounds this can make, A or O, short O, it can only be the short O. So it has to be chok, ma, and here we have chametz plus hey, our long A vowel in an open syllable. Chokmah is wisdom. Ch, as, like, according to. So the little, I don't know what you call these little, usually annoying devotional readings that our book includes. On this one, they note that Micaiah, the name of the prophet, really means me, who, k, is like, k is like, Yah, me, kai, Yah. So it's, the name is almost a sentence. Who is like Yah, or the Lord? Kol. There's a really common word, 5,500 times. All or every. And it often uses the makef, And it's just has a different vowel, but it still sounds the same. This is kol, that's a short vowel. Kol, not kal. So kol means all. Lifnei. Leaf, one syllable, nay. Lifnei, before or in front of. L, to, toward, for, one of our inseparable prepositions. Extremely common. Lama'an. Lama'an, on account of. So if you put a noun after that, like the noun malka, queen, if I said, we built a house lama'an malka, on behalf of or for the sake of a queen. Min means from or out of, and it can also take the makef. Ma'al, above, on top of, sometimes combining with min, mitma'al, from on top of, above. Next word, mitzvah, bar mitzvah, bat mitzvah. Mitzvah means a commandment, and the plural is not really irregular, but it looks a little irregular. Mitzvot. So we take a endings become ot endings. Mitzvah, one mitzvah, 7 mitzvot. Ad is a preposition. Until, as far as, during. Al means upon or on account of. And al devar means on account of. Im is a word for with. You know the name Immanuel. Immanuel is im, with. Anu means us. El, God. God is with us. Im anu el. Pe is mouth. Sade is field or pasture. Note that we have a sin. Sade. And tachat, under or below.